Yeah, hold your horses. I'm looking through my kitty feeds now, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, pervert Cole.
Fucking menace.
Let's wreck his world.
Bath time. I got a never-ending supply.
Okay, so when can we meet? Because I need something new for the weekend.
Prices are going up, Chris. This is exclusive material I'm providing. One customer, one kid.
I don't know, man. You're not the only dealer in town anymore.
This is primo. Oh, hold on, Chris.
Honey, put on your pajamas and brush your teeth, please.
What is it?
Something's coming that you're really gonna like, Chris. I'm gonna need $2 grand.
$2,000? Are you out of your mind?
$2 is a fucking bargain. I could go to jail for this shit.
You should go to jail for robbing me. You already have my fucking life saved.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
No, not you, Grizz.
Do you have the footage or not?
Yeah, no, everything's cool. On second thought, I got another kid in mind for you. Lost my fucking train of thought.
You were talking about bankrupting.
What the fuck are you doing, Grizz?
I didn't do anything.
Well, can you hear? Fuck me! Grizz, are you still there? Child labor piece of shit! What the fuck is going on in here? What the fuck did I ever do to deserve this shit? Thousands of dollars down the drain.
It's just little snowflakes. Little boys, little girls.
Who's doing that?
Bath time. I got a never-ending
sick
supply.
Fuck spies on somebody!
Snowflakes.
Get the fuck out of my house! Get the fuck! I'm gonna fucking find you! I'm gonna fucking find you!
What are you doing, Cole?
I'm going!
Did you get all that?
Yup. Jesus Christ.
I wish I could reach through the camera and strangle that guy.
Don't worry. This footage is already circulating. Society will do the strangling soon enough. Marcus, one of our latest followers sent me this. Consider it a follow-up on Haum's CEO.
Yo, check it. I was on the treadmill when this pissy-looking guy came up with the trainer and kicked me off. Dickhead looked familiar, so I asked around the gym. It was Steven Bader, the guy in charge of Haum. I guess waiting for a treadmill is too lowly for rich assholes like him.
What would you guys think about shooting a little exercise fail video starring the CEO of Haum?
Steven Bader? I'd love to have another go at humiliating that pompous ass. Why an exercise video?
Peepin' Steve is at the gym right now. Buckle in and get ready for a show, my friend.
Christmas is coming early this year.